Beyond the frozen mountains, there lived a queen whose magic was born from love.
She ruled with grace, but her greatest power was not magic. It was her heart. When her daughter was born, the magic of the kingdom changed forever.
The child carried magic stronger than winter itself.
But the world fears what it does not understand. I will protect you, even if the world turns against us. Every night, she taught her not to hide her magic, but to control it.
One mistake changed everything.
She grew stronger, while her mother grew weaker.
Why do you smile when you're hurting? Because loving you was worth every breath.
The magic returned. Uncontrolled!
This time, I protect you. She learned the truth. Magic grows strongest through love.
My magic is yours now.
A new queen was born, guided by a mother's sacrifice. And so, the kingdom learned the greatest magic is a mother's love. And so, the kingdom learned the greatest magic is a mother's love. The Queen of Light will never be forgotten.